After you've created an account, this is what the main screen, the library, looks like. Since you've not started using the app yet, there is not much to look at, but the goal today is to get your chorus to appear under My Choruses. So first, press the Join button. Anytime you want to join a chorus, you can send a membership request to the folder admin. And to do that, you need the specific chorus code. Any user who's already a member can find this code for you if they just press the dots on the chorus. Once you have the code, enter it and press Send Request. Before you can see the chorus and rehearse the songs, the director or any admin of the chorus needs to accept your request. For more tutorial videos, check out the full playlist on our channel. Happy singing!